What is going on, guys? As you can see, we moved into our new spot. We're super excited. We've been here for a week now. We still got, some unpacking to do, but I mean, we're just super excited to be here. And a lot of people have been wondering if dropshipping is still possible in 2020. Yes, it was possible in 2019. It was possible in 2018. You just cannot give up. Just because one store fails does not mean your second store will. You just have to learn from those mistakes. I started 2 stores before I became successful. And then I started my 4th, and you just learn from the mistakes and improve that in your next store. And you just have to keep going. You cannot listen to people on YouTube, who are saying it's too saturated, it's not gonna work for you, because it's going to work for you. I guarantee you can make a saturated product right now be successful just with the right ad copy. That's what you have to do. It's all about the marketing. It's all about the audience. You just have to keep pushing through. You just cannot be listening to these people that are just kind of telling you not to, because then you'll never try. If you never try, you'll never be successful. You'll never know, if you are good at this or not good at this. I mean, if I listen to people, I would still be working my 3rd shift job that I freaking hated. I hated my 3rd shift job. And but I kept learning and I just kept pushing through. And now, I'm just doing dropshipping full time. It's amazing. And I'm just moving into a new spot. It's a blessing. But I just wanted to make this video real quick because it's just the start of the new year, and it's just looking great for me. And I just want to keep posting on here and giving you guys information. And again, if you guys have any questions, comment below. Or, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at @TheModernPoppy, and I'll be happy to message you guys. But yeah, it was just a quick video of, where I'm at right now and what I'm doing. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you have a great day and, stay blessed.